Hey there guys, I'm Manny from AutoStar here in Waynesville, North Carolina, and I just wanted to show you guys our newest color, which is the Gobi in our Jeep Gladiator. This is the Mojave edition. It does have the black with the orange accents. You get your heavy duty off-road tires with your Fox shocks on there. It's amazing four-wheel drive system. You have orange accents all throughout the vehicle. The Gobi color goes really well with it. You have your heavy duty rail guards for that off-road four-wheeling. So you got the biggest comfort and convenience of having a truck and a Jeep at the same time. So if you're interested in the Gladiator, now's the time to check out our Gobi edition. So I am Manny with AutoStar Waynesville. Thank you.